TV white spaces have been in the offing for a long time. Well, they're making a lot of progress in France. LETI, a research company, Dominique, why don't you tell us what you guys are doing to advance white spaces?
So, LETI is a research company in France. It has about 2,000 employees, and we hold a large portfolio of patents that we license to our partnership. And in this demo, we are showing what we're doing in terms of TV white space technology, and we've been involved in a standard group which is called 1900.7. And in this group, we have developed FBMC technology, which is showcased here.
And that's a different kind of modulation technology, right?
Yes, indeed. The TV white space technology that you have now on the market is using OFDM, which is a modulation that is similar to what you have in Wi-Fi and WiMAX systems. And what we are doing here is using a different modulation technology, which is called the FBMC, which is more flexible in terms of how you can allocate spectrum, and which also have very good spectral properties in the terms of leakage to DTT transmission, and enable to have a higher spectral efficiency compared to OFDM.
So what that means is you won't interfere with the TV channel as readily as you would otherwise?
Yeah, exactly. We will have less interference, and so with the DTT being refarmed in many countries, there are fewer spectrum available for secondary usage, so it's very important that you have a very clean secondary usage of the spectrum.
Well, we'll talk about some of the benefits to this in a moment. Why don't we look at the demo? What are you showing?
So what we're showing here is we have at the same time a DTT broadcast transmission, which is using DVB-T, which is the standard that we use in Europe. So you have between this computer and this computer, you have this DTT transmission showing this video that you can see here. And at the same time, you have our technology, which is using adjacent channels. So you can see that on the spectrum analyzer here, with the DTT transmission being in the middle, and on both sides of this channel you have our FBMC transmission. And what you can see here is that you have a very steep roll-off of the FBMC transmission, enabling to have very high power, very adjacent to the DTT transmission without any impact on the DTT broadcast. And if now we turn this secondary usage transmission to OFDM, which is the classical air interface that you use in TV white space, you will see that you will have the secondary lobes of the modulation that will appear, and that the DTT transmission will be blocked because you have too much interference. So what it means is that you can afford more power with FBMC compared to what you would have with OFDM. And this results in better link quality, higher coverage, and also higher data rates.
So great benefits for the consumer, or for the people who are trying to use TV white spaces. When do you see this being available?
Well, the standard is very fresh because it will be rolled out in perhaps 2 or 3 months, Q1 2016. And so we hope that this technology will be rolled out very soon after that.
Excellent. Well, Dominique, thank you very much.
Thank you.